And that is because of my friendship with Pastor. Very long time ago.
Ako, I'm so glad to have you as a friend. Kung mayor ka, nung vice mayor, congressman. And I am so glad that I have a friend that who became president. I'm proud of that. Taga Davao. No one had believed before that you will be able to be there. They already were saying that, who are you? You know, sino ka lang, taga Davao, ganun. But you know, it makes us proud. The Boeños and even the whole Philippines now. Proud kami.
Presidency for me sa akin was a God-given gift. Galing talaga sa Diyos yan. Kung isipin mo lang, hanggang ngayon, balik ako sa dati, hindi na ako presidente. Kita mo naman ninyo. Same house, same pick-up.
Yes, Mayor.
Talagang sinadya siguro ng... I was there for a purpose actually.
Your achievements are unsurpassed until now. Your dedication to the work as a public servant, whatever local or national, nakita natin. So, we thank you for that legacy and template of leadership that we won't ever forget. Yung trust mo for the ending the insurgency, yung sa corruption, yung sa drugs, and yung build that made a change in the whole landscape of our Philippines. Na kahit saan kapunta ngayon, there are access road, bypass road. In fact, lahat ng mga nangyayari pang mga project ngayon, this is still a run over of your projects when you were president.
Well,
Pinapatuloy pang ngayon.
all I can say is one statement. I was there to work, period. Ano lang, trabaho lang. Pumasok ako magtrabaho, labas ako. So that's my humble contribution to
Your
my
simple
country.
lifestyle is made to make the Filipinos really look up at you as an exemplary public servant. And hindi matatago yun. Even if you're not here, I'm saying that to everyone. And that is an exemplary leadership na where you were before, you went on the top, you had all the temptations in life over there, but nothing happened. You stay on your values, tapos pinakita mo ang template of leadership, lalo na dyan sa bandang corruption. Then you went back, the same house, sabi mo, the same pickup, the same lifestyle. Sino yung taong ganon sa libutan na binigay na lahat sa kanya? But still, you stayed on your course as a simple public servant.
Ayun lang naman siguro ang Pastor, just being there is already an exceptional gift from God. So why waste it? Why mess it up with...
I'm saying it, Mayor, because parang isa ka lang tao sa sanlibutan ng public service, lalo na sa Pilipinas na ridden with corruption, na hindi tinablan ng ganong klaseng temptation. So we wish that there will be more Rodrigo Duterte like you in public service.
Well, siguro, totoo naman, Pastor, because I really lived through it. Ginawa ko talaga yung kaya ko lang gawin. Hanggang anong kaya kong sa utak ko, pati sa gawa ko. But I was really very strict sa... Basta nag-warning ako noon. When I was mayor, sinabi ko na noon, day one, when I was mayor, kasi prosecutor ako eh. Day one, sinabi ko na siyo, do not do it. Nung na-presidente ako, sinabi ko sa kanya, do not do it. Ngayon, nag-it-it ka, naipit ka. Wala na tayo magawa dyan. Tapos na eh.